Hey, welcome back to the channel. Trying to use up the leftover ham from Easter. I got the ham bone with a big old bunch of meat on it. So today we're going to make ham bone soup, also known as ham and bean soup if if you don't have a bone that you're starting with. So up until this point, threw the ham bone in this pot. Threw the ham bone in there, put enough water in there just to cover the ham bone. And then I've had it on a light boil for, I guess, about an hour and 15 minutes. So now we got us a nice ham stock going here. I need to pull the ham, the bone out of here so I can let it cool down and be able to pick the meat off of it. Due to the fact that I've had an open flame inside this RV now for over an hour, it's pretty smoking hot in here. So we're gonna have to switch up. We got to switch gears here. I'm gonna let this cool down, but going forward, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna do the rest of our soup right here in this electric skillet. Keep it cool in here. All right, let's get it.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby,
Oh, come on now. You know we had to get a little hot stuff in there. All right, that's it. It's done. It's been going for about probably about an hour and 15 minutes. Oh, that looks great. Let's make a bowl and see what we got here. All right, the soup is done. Let's give it a try here, see what we got. Woo! Oh, damn, that is delicious. Wow. So the soup got done, and then I realized I didn't have anything at all to go with it. So I looked around, found some Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits up in here, baby. Yeah! So, what I'm going to do is, I I don't have nothing but time on my hands today. So I'm going to slide this aside. I'm going to work up my biscuits, have a couple beers, and then I'm going to tear into this. Anyhow, thanks for dropping into the trailer hood and spending some time with me today. It was fun. Hope you guys tried this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wings.